Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install node.js and npm on Windows 10. Type node.js in browser search bar. Click node.js. Click download, recommended for most users. Open download file. Click next. Accept license agreement. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click install. Click yes to continue. Node.js installed successfully. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type cmd, OK. Type node space -v. Node version is displayed. Type npm space -v. npm version is displayed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.